Hello there. I hope you guys are doing great. Today we're going to learn how to actually host a static website on AWS S3. AWS S3, as you might know, is the simple storage service where we can store our files and folders. We can use the same S3 solution to actually host a static website. But before getting started with that, there is a quick note over here. What is a static website? So a static website is a website that does not require to connect with any backend services like any application server or things like that. So in order to get it done, the first thing you need to do is to create an S3 bucket. So click on this create bucket over here and write down a name, and remember, the name that you're writing over here, that should not be a duplicate name. It needs to be a unique one, not only in your account, not in your region, but over entire AWS. So you can see the bucket is over here. We can click on this and that will open up the bucket for us. Now here we need to use this upload button in order to upload a website. But hang on, where will you get a website? Well, if you already have one, you can directly use that. And in case you don't, then there is a free solution I can show you. Go to www.freecss.com. Here you shall find a lot of nice looking websites, so you can choose one of your own. You can take your time. I'm just taking the one that I'm getting in the very first place. Come here and download this thing on your local machine. And there you go. You can see this template has been downloaded and it is in a folder with the name 2113 Earth. Let's open that up and we are seeing a section where we have got this file called index.html. Now this is the file that you have to try to locate. Select all these files and folders, whatever you're finding over here, just drag them over the screen and hover. As soon as you do that, you will find out it is ready to get uploaded. Leave it over here and that should start uploading. As soon as this upload gets completed, you will find out this green signal coming up over here stating upload succeeded. Click on this close and you should have your files uploaded on your S3 bucket. So this was the first step to take. So you can see all the files are uploaded and they are perfectly visible over here. That is the step number one. For the step number two, we need to make these files publicly accessible. To do that, first thing you need to come to the permissions section of your bucket and click on this edit button under block public access bucket settings. Make sure you turn this checkbox off and click on save changes. Write down confirm to confirm. Come back to your objects page and now select everybody over here and click on actions drop down and select make public. Hit make public once again and you can get the green signal coming up over here. Click on close. So we have already completed 2 steps out of 3 and there is the last one remaining, which is pretty easy one. Come to your properties and scroll down way below until you find out this section that says static website hosting. Click on edit over here and click on enable. But that's not where it stops. You need to come over here and just mention index.html. Click on save changes. Now if you again scroll down and come back over here, you will find out there is a URL given over here. And this URL is a public URL, which means anybody in the world can open up this URL to get to your website. Don't believe me? Try it out by yourself. And there you go. There you have your beautiful Earth website right now hosted over on the internet. Exactly following this process, you can host a static website on an S3 bucket. But just so that you know, you can also host a website on an EC2 instance, which is pretty easy to do once you have learned this process. You can click on this video right now appearing on the right hand side of your screen to watch that video. I'm sure you found this content helpful. Please show your support by putting a simple like on this video and head on to www.teqstories.com to find out a lot of courses and enhance your knowledge.